Today in our 2001 Hyundai Santa Fe, we'll be having a look at our best hitch options. Okay, we have two hitches here today. On the top, we have a Draw-Tite, it's part number 41543, and on the bottom, we have a Curt, part number C13505. The biggest difference that we found between our two hitches here today is in regards to weight capacity. Our Draw-Tite hitch here at the top, we have a 315-pound max gross tongue weight rating and a 3,500-pound max gross trailer weight rating. As far as our Curt hitch here goes, it's a little bit higher. We're looking at 400 pounds for our tongue weight rating and 4,000 pounds for our max gross trailer weight rating. So we have an increase of 85 pounds for the tongue weight rating and 500 pounds for the max gross trailer weight rating. Now this difference is important because recreationally speaking, if we're going to be using one of these hitches with a cargo carrier, most cargo carriers out there have about a 500-pound weight capacity. We wouldn't be able to fully utilize that with our Draw-Tite hitch. We'd only be able to use 315 pounds. On our Curt hitch, we could actually go up to 400 pounds, so we could have an extra 85 pounds worth of gear or cargo in our cargo carrier. There could also be a difference between if we are using it for a bike rack and we have some heavy bikes. Now another difference that we have, recreationally speaking, is our Draw-Tite hitch has an additional pinhole here, and that's for a JPin Stabilization device. What that does, it's a separate device, which we have available on our website, slides in through your standard 5/8 inch diameter hitch pin hole, goes into that hole, you have a nut that you use to tighten up. If we have a look inside the receiver, we can see the pin where it comes through, and what this does is it'll push whatever is inserted into our receiver over, locking it into place so we don't have any shake, play, and rattle going up and down or side to side, and this will take care of noise. Another biggest difference that we noticed between our hitches is in regards to towing. Because of the increased weight capacities of the Curt hitch, it is capable of towing a heavier trailer than what the Draw-Tite hitch is rated for. So if you have a higher tongue weight trailer or just a slightly heavier trailer, you'll be able to tow more with the Curt hitch than you could with the Draw-Tite. However, you still want to go by whatever your vehicle is rated for in the owner's manual. So just make sure your Santa Fe is capable of towing 4,000 pounds before you try to tow 4,000 pounds with it using the Curt hitch. Now, as far as similarities go, both these hitches are going to get the exact same job done. They're both going to allow us to tow a trailer, and they're both going to allow us to either use a bike rack or a cargo carrier on our vehicle. They are both Class 3 hitches with a 2x2 inch receiver opening. They both have welded on collars around the receiver to help reinforce the inside opening and give us a finished look on the vehicle. They both have rolled steel safety chain loops, which are easy to attach to and have a decent size opening, so we shouldn't have much problems at all hooking safety chains on to either one of these. Both of our hitches use the industry standard 5/8 of an inch diameter hitch pin to secure any of your hitch mounted accessories. As far as appearance goes, both of these hitches are going to look exactly the same when they're installed on our Santa Fe. The main frame of the hitch is going to be completely hidden behind our fascia, and the only part that you're going to see hanging down, the actual receiver openings right here with your safety chain loops. As you can see here on the Santa Fe that we have here today, we have the Draw-Tite hitch installed on this vehicle. The only way you can tell that apart from the Curt is the fact that we have the JPin Stabilization device hole right here. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the two at all. They look exactly the same. As far as clearance goes around the receiver opening on the fascia of the vehicle, both of our hitches are going to be about the same, and they both provide us with adequate amount of clearance for use with most bike racks and cargo carriers. Now for a brief summary. As far as recreational use goes, the Curt hitch here is a better option than the Draw-Tite hitch we found because of the higher weight capacities the hitch offers. It gives us more opportunity to carry more items or have more options for what we can actually do with the hitch. As far as towing goes, we found that the Curt hitch here was the winner again because of the increased capacities of the hitch as far as weight goes. We'd be able to tow a heavier trailer or something with a higher tongue weight. And that completes our look at the best hitch options for the Hyundai Santa Fe.